Lead story: Chicago State University confirms Tinubu attended institution, graduated in 1979. Tells CBS, as an educational institution, we are sometimes asked to provide information related to student records. Federal law known as the Family Education Rights and Privacy Act protects the privacy of student records and limits what an institution can release. Yes, the Chicago State University yesterday confirmed that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu attended the university and graduated in 1979. Yes, of course, the university disclosed this in a statement issued to CBS Broadcasting Incorporated, generally referred to one of America's.
Thank you so much, and your brother is very great. Chicago State University should respect that exalted institution. They should know what university stands for. They must not present themselves as an institution facing character challenge. That would be so unfortunate. They must come clean and produce every important document concerning Bola Tinubu, whether the female Bola Tinubu or the male Bola Tinubu. We need to look at the receipts used in paying school fees. We need to look at the admission letter of Bola Tinubu, whether female or male. These are vital pieces of information that will help the human family to make an informed decision. So let them speak up immediately for the good of the human race. Thank you and God bless you.
Lead story: Chicago State over Tinubu's academic records. But the report went further to say CSU's lawyer Michael Hayes told Gilbert, as the judge, that the university wouldn't be able to certify Tinubu's diploma under oath.
Why?
Yes, according to a CPU spokesman, the university could confirm the president graduated. However, it cannot authenticate the diploma because it was a ceremonial document and not part of a student's official academic file. Well, I'm sure there's still a lot of head scratching to be done in this report. But Ruben, you always draw our attention to the Constitution and the requirement to be a governor or a president.